Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to remove contact permission from Snapchat, you're in the right place. Sometimes we want a little more control over our privacy, and making sure Snapchat can't access our contacts is a quick and easy step in that direction. In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off Snapchat's access to your contacts on your phone, so you can decide exactly what information the app can see. First, grab your phone and open your device's settings. This is where most app permissions are managed, and it's the control center for what each app can or cannot access. Next, scroll down until you find apps, or depending on your phone, it might be called applications. Tap on it to see the complete list of apps installed on your device. From there, locate Snapchat in the list. Once you've found it, tap to open the app details. This is where you can adjust different settings specific to Snapchat, including its permissions. Inside the app settings, look for the option labeled Permissions. This section shows you exactly what Snapchat is currently allowed to access on your phone. Things like location, camera, microphone, and of course, your contacts. Now, tap on Contacts. Here, you'll have the option to turn off access. Simply select Don't Allow, and from that moment on, Snapchat will no longer have permission to read or sync your contacts. And that's it. You've successfully removed contact permission from Snapchat. From now on, the app won't pull information from your phone's contacts, which means no syncing of your address book or automatic friend suggestions from your saved numbers. Taking small steps like this gives you more control over your privacy online. It's always a good idea to check your app permissions every once in a while to make sure apps can only access what you're comfortable with. So now you know how to do it. Quick, simple, and effective. If managing your privacy is important to you, adjusting permissions is one of the easiest ways to stay in control of your personal information.